J, Make9 today. Here's what I have to say. Let's see what the Make9s are made here. Hey, hey.
Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. I'd like to welcome you all here. Welcome back if you have been watching me in the past, and welcome to anyone that is new. Now, it has been a couple of weeks since my last confession, and I just want to say sorry. I've been off the grid for a bit. I've been busy with life. I did do a recording for last Friday, but I didn't get around to uploading it and thought, well, it's a lot of chitter chatter going on, really, to be honest. Now, I wanted to do this for Monday, but I will lose the ability to have this item by Monday because it is gifted to my friend for her birthday. So we're going over there. The person who it will be going to is my friend Johnsy. Johnsy and her husband come on Thursdays and we do games night. So today's Thursday and it's her birthday. It's the birthday. Today's Thursday. So anyway, I did a Make9. Now my Make9 this year is going to be, I'm going to show you patterns or two patterns of something that's similar, and you guys are going to make your choice. Now this one also had fabric involved because, and I don't know if I'll do that each time, but this was for a gift and I wanted your opinion on it. The good thing is that you guys selected what was top of mind for me. The two selections were Simplitcity and McCall's. Okay, we had this bag here, which I believe is C, and then we had this one down here, which I believe is D. So this one won. Okay, now I'm not 100% sure I'm happy with that one. Just saying. It's made. So it's currently inside out. I put my big name on it. It has one internal pocket, but I never do one internal pocket. How many pockets do we need as girls? We need lots and lots of pockets. And I've done a pocket over the side here that's can do double. I just have to get my phone and stick it in the pocket to show you. But you're on my phone right now, so can't do it. So I'm just going to turn this in the right way. I don't know if I like it. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought it'd be bigger, especially after I cut it out. It's a nice shape. I do like its shape. But just while I'm turning it in the right way, 15 books I'm up to. I'm reading my 16th now. Right. Now, if you've just tuned into me for the first time, I haven't been reading books for probably the last 21 years due to the fact that I have children that absorb my time. My children are now 21 and 2 19-year-olds. I have time. My daughter asked me to start reading because she's my little nerd, and I mean that in the most loving way, because she's always been my little nerd since she was in year 1, and I love that about her. So she said to me a couple of years ago for me to read some books. So I read a book or 2 or 3, and last year I read Pride and Prejudice and The Other Bennet Sister, which I really loved once I got past the whole Pride and Prejudice part. Anyway, so I read that, and then for my birthday in late October they gave me, Mr. Christopher and my daughter gave me 2 books to read. One I read the next day, and that was like over 200 pages, like 232 pages or something. I don't know. I read it the next day. And the other one I read a bit later. And then I finished off reading 9 last year. And this year I have read, like I said, 15. Right. Why is that jamming? So I've made this bag. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. What I do not like is that the straps go over the zip. It connects at the bottom. Now there is meant to be a plate that goes in the bottom that is meant to be covered, and it's meant to reach out the bottom, which I'll tell Johnsy it is coming. Only Mr. Christopher hasn't liberated a for sale sign from our real estate Oh, this is jammed. Oh, it goes one way, but not the other. Yeah, so it's quite, oh, it does work. It was quite funny. I said, I need this thin card, like plastic with a little wedgie things in between. He goes, and he named it because he's clever and he knows stuff. And I said, yeah, sure, that's what I need then. And he said, oh, yep, I'll just liberate a for sale sign from a real estate agent, because that's what their signs are made out of, is this plastic stuff. So like I said, the 2 pockets in between, in the inside. I also do hooks. All my handbags, now I don't normally make handbags for other people. All my handbags have hooks in mine because I do not need my car keys when I'm driving. And I also have a Norwex cloth that cleans my glasses. There is a special name for it. There we go, it does work. I went and bought yellow to go with the yellow bumblebee, the yellow bee. And if you don't know, Johnsy loves bees. So I made the bag. So I had made number 1 of my Make9s. I don't know. I just don't know, eh? I don't know. I hand stitched. I don't know if I like the pattern, even the instructions, the lining put towards the inside, and it's bagged out, it's birth. I hand stitched down the bottom of the zips. Like I'm trying to flick the handles over each side. So down here I've hand stitched. Steph would hate to know the fact that I did that because she doesn't like hand stitching, but yeah, so there you go. But yeah, I want that thing on the bottom so it sits nice. I'll just tell her that I've got bee fabric cut out to go on the bottom of that, so the bee would be sitting on the inside. So yeah, that's that. Make9, it's made. I don't know if I would have preferred possibly D. D looks a lot bigger, and the handles. Oh, what are those handles? What have I done wrong? I don't know what I've done wrong. That's how it looks, but that's not how the handles are. I did it as the instructions said, but it goes the other way. I'm going to have to reread those instructions to see where I went wrong. Crazy. Crazy. I'll have to have a look at that. Anyway, so the handles go over it. I don't like that now. I actually have not liked the bag. I do like the bag. I do like the bees and things like that. Oh, that little bee's chopped in half. Placement is everything. So she'll like it. She'll like it. Yeah, she'll like it. And I got flowers. I used the flower zip to, you know, go with the whole bee garden outdoor scene kind of thing. Anyway, so I don't know if I'll make that bag for myself. I just don't like how the lining went in and it fitted in, and then you had to zip, and it's just, I think it's just, even looking at that side there, it's just uncomfortable looking. They match the stripes nicely. Anyway, so I have made my first Make9. Thank you for choosing that one and the fabric. Hopefully Johnsy loves it. She is into handbags. She is into bees. I got a couple of other things upstairs for her to go in the parcel as well. So we're heading over there. They got a really yummy cake that is going to be made. That is being purchased from up in Paraparaumu. That's where their daughter works. So she's going to pick it up. Just so you know, Fabric Wheel of Fate, I think I'm bouncing all over the place here. Fabric Wheel of Fate is in action. It is on the table as we speak. Oh, there's something else I need to tell you. Steph noticed it because she was like, look at my nails. My nails have got like cat size. It's called cat size, and it's like a little metallic thing, and they use a magnet to make it. And yeah. Anyway, so that's my new nails, but my new nails go lovely with my new ring. So Steph noticed that the other day. Now, I didn't mention anything the other day because at that particular time, I hadn't gone to see my mum and told my mum. Now, I know Chris's mum doesn't watch my vlogs, but we hadn't gone to see her either. So we actually haven't advertised it, but we've finally, both mums know. So yes, I am an engaged woman. So he's going to make an honest woman out of me. Look at that. Or am I going to make an honest woman out of him? Who knows? Who knows? So what I should do is get the next two for my Make9 and do a little picket kind of thing. And I'll probably put that on the community post before I do it. While I'm talking to you, and because I often forget, I am wearing the bee blouse from Simply Sewing. It is from a sewing magazine. I made two of this. This was actually a Fabric Wheel of Fate fabric. Quite like it. It's fitting quite nicely. And I'm wearing my Elwood jeans from Stylark. I thought I was going to forget the name of them, but I didn't. So I got my Stylark Elwood jeans. Nice little flamingo on that pocket. My name on that pocket. So I've got them on today. It's been relatively winter here. It's meant to be autumn. We bypassed the whole of summer this year. I wouldn't mind if we bypassed winter. That's the season I would prefer to bypass. Being very, very chilly and had a lot of storms. I think we've ×3'd our rainfall for the year. And we're in March, just a couple of days into March. Speaking of March, March is going to be our endo month in the UK. We've got somebody, if I remember their name, I'll tell you. Sorry, I'm actually literally doing this because I'm going to give this back to John C. tonight and I wanted to show you guys. So basically what it is that we're going to do a tour around with vloggers in regards to making a yellow garment. I am on the vlog to do this. I must find out what day I'm doing it. Endo has a very dark history with me. I am an endo wearer. I have endometriosis. So I'm quite keen to get this. It is raising money towards the study of endometriosis in the UK. So I will be on later to talk more about that for you guys. Just get your yellow fabrics gathered, including anything that's got yellow in it. Okay, and get ready. Get ready, Freddie. Anyway, before my DOGs start to bark, I'll love you and leave you. I just wanted to get my Make9 out there and let you know that I have finally sorted it out. What my hold up was the yellow. That was my hold up. And I did it in a gradient black, yellow and tan, I think, colour threads on my walking foot. So there you go. Another thing I didn't like about it is this is not top stitched. Whereas normally zips are top stitch, but no, alas no, it's not. Anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Thank you very much for tuning in for a nice little quick look at that little quick vlog, and I will hopefully get back to you guys really, really soon with my Fabric Wheel of Fate. I'm very excited about it. I've had a lot of just quick editing in here. I'm just going to throw this in. I've just looked over the instructions and no, I had it right. I had it right the whole time. That's how it went on. That's how it went on. So that picture is incorrect. Simplicity, you've let me down. Let me down, Simplicity. Yep, so that is how it was told to do it, and it's not done it. It doesn't do it like the picture, like the picture. But I just thought I wanted to double check, get on there and tell you I'm not going crazy. I'm not going crazy at all. That is how it was told to do it, because that's when you attach these. Okay, I'm going to go wrap this now. Okay, back to the regular scheduled program. Got it? I've had a lot of pondering on this one and a little bit of input from Mum, And a lot of unpicking today because, you know, when you decide to hack something, you sometimes need to go, let's say I did one side one way and the other side another way, and I like this side, so I unpicked on this side because that's nicer. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Thanks heaps for tuning in and seeing the Make9. I'll find 2 patterns that I will make next, probably some winter garments because pretty much is, and I will check you guys out later. Just in March, if you could just drop a yellow heart. If you don't want to comment, just let me know that you're out there, and yellow for endo, so that'd be fantastic. In the meantime, yeah, till the next time I'm looking at you, stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. See, it's been a while, I can't remember what I want to say. Keep on sewing, hydrate. I am hydrating, and I'm having Chinese takeout tonight at games night, which will be really cool, and cake. So, and have no regrets. So I don't regret the way I stuck the stuff on to start with and then had to unpick. I don't regret that. I learned something real fast. I was overthinking it. A lot of overthinking lately, I think. I finished off with I think. Okay guys, I'll catch you next time I'm looking at you. Pop a yellow heart down below. Give me a thumbs up. And if you know anyone that wants to listen to me prattle, pass on my name, my deets. 15 books. See you later. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.